First off, apologies for not putting up any skate clips. I've been kind of busy helping out down the yard, so my parents got Alzheimer's. So I've been doing a bit of that, and the weather's been crap, but what you ought to know there, boy, is sometimes when you can't skateboard, you still get fucking rad. So, let's get a bit of radness down the yard, shall we? Arr! Morning, everybody. Just up down the yard. Gonna get rad. One day, I'm going to be able to jump this big one. But I've got a lot of work to do before I can do that. We call that one a mucky bear. Look at this one. Kickflip. Ha ha ha! As you can see, got a standard handle wheelbarrow there. It's something I've been working on. Let me show you this. What we've done, we've got your wheelbarrow, and we've taken off all this stuff. It's more of a flatlander. Ready? There you go. You shove it, and stuff like that. Obviously, it's quite a new concept. I think it could revolutionise how we think of things. Unfortunately, as you can see, I'll de-land that one because I'm a bit fucking extreme. Hello there, little Bobbin. How are you? We gotta look after all the creatures in the yard, so you look after my equipment. Right, lads, come out, this is the one I first started on. It's what we call a learner. And over here, let me show you some of my quiver. Look. So you can see, I've been very fortunate. I've got quite a few there. I'm what known as a very lucky man in the wheelbarrow community. Arr. Right then, we're just going to let the beast in. That's there Marley, who's
the half donkey, half horse. And Ishmey, who's the horse. Let's go and see her. Ready to go? Come on in, let's get you in your home. So you have some grub. It's always important after a good session to make sure your equipment's in good nick. So always clean off your boots. Anyway, that'll be it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're inspired to get out there and shred your local farm. And then that's it. Peace out, motherfuckers. Ah. Session over. I got a brand new wheelbarrow and I'd like to get a stream. Why don't we get together and start out a team? I've got 2 acres and you've got a hardware store. So I can get lots of wheelbarrows and you can get some more. Ah.